Cleaning a chalkboard properly is essential to avoid chalky residue. One option is using an eraser in an up and down motion, starting from the upper left corner and ending in the upper right corner. It is important to clean the eraser regularly by clapping them together or wiping them with a cloth soaked in warm water. Another option is using a dry cleaning cloth, which can be sprayed with a dusting product before wiping the board. Lemon oil can also be used to remove chalk dust and leave the chalkboard smooth and clean. Another unconventional method is using soda pop, such as Coke, to clean the chalkboard. Mixing white vinegar with water can also be an effective cleaning solution, but it is important to let the chalkboard air dry afterwards. For tougher stains, mild household cleaners can be used with water and a cloth, but it is important to avoid applying too much water to prevent ghosting. Commercial chalkboard cleaners are available in spray or foam form, and they can be found in teacher and office supply stores.